Oh man, welcome to Jerry's Adventures. Boy, I tell you what, this hair is getting out of control. Much better. Now it's a little more controlled. Now it's time to go find ourselves a geocache. All right, well, let's find out where I gotta go to get this geocache. It's a nice day today. Nice view up here too. Oh man, now I gotta find some sort of a trail. Oh, hey, over here. Yeah, I think that's the way. Yep, this is the trail. I'll show you. Fork in the trail. Do I go that way or do I go this way? Oh my gosh, you guys, I think I found a rat. Let me see if I can sneak up with the camera and get it on film before it scurries away. Let's check this out. Shh. Oh. Oh. Dude, I thought I was catching a rat. Dude, it's not a rat. It's a geocache. Check this out. This is sweet. Oh my gosh, this was not what I was expecting. Wait a second. It's July. Yeah. Geocaching vlogger. Hey Joshua, if you're watching, how's it going? Cache Advance. Look out, Lisa, if you're watching. Look out for rats. Oh my gosh. I think I just accomplished the July Geo Challenge of... This isn't what I was expecting. This is awesome. Cool. Hey guys, and don't forget, subscribe to my videos. Yeah, subscribe to those videos. Hey, you dirty rat, are you the one that... Oh my gosh, what the heck is that? Why, you dirty... Why, you dirty... Why, you dirty rat?